Welcome to the React.js tutorial series. In this course, you will learn React step by step and build the modern iterative applications from fundamental to real world project. Everything will be explained in a simple and practical way. So let's begin our React journey. So you will see here our topics that we will cover in this series. Here you see here our first, that is the React basic concept we will learn here. What is React? React based UI and virtual DOMs. Then next it is setting up React projects using YTAR create React app project structure and first component. Third it is a JSX. It is about all syntax, expression, attribute and fragment. Fourth it is components. Here we will learn more about functional component and reusable UI pieces. And the next is props. Passing data to component and component composition. 6 state with use state. Updating UI form input and counters we will see here. About event, on click, on change, form submission and event handling. Then next it is here conditionals, rendering, if, ternary, logical and loading state, and then list and keys here, rendering arrays and using table keys. Then basic styling, CSS module, inline styles and class name uses. The next it is here we have our intermediate React. So you will see here what you will see about use effects, fetching data and cleanup functions. The next forms here, control form component validation and submissions handling in this tutorials. And then component communication here, parent to child, child to parent and lifting state up. Now we will cover the topic inside it. And then React hooks overview. Here inside it, use state, use effect, use ref, use move and use callback. And then here performance basics, here re-rendering, memoization and avoiding the necessary works. The next one about we will cover the advanced real world topics, and that is here routing, here React routers, pages, navigation and route parameters, and then state management. We will cover context API, Redux or Redux toolkit, then API integrations. Here fetch, executes, loadings and either in API integration. Then authentications basics. Here we will cover JWTs, concept and login flows and protected routes. Then UI library. For the UI library, we will cover most popular UI library, that is a Yum UI, material UI, basic and component customizations. Then custom hooks. Here creating the reusable logic in one file and use in multiple files. Then next it is about here error boundaries and debugging, common React errors and debugging strategy we will also cover in the last lectures. And then by the end of this series you will be able to build modern React applications confidently and work on the real world project. I will see you in the next one.